Orafo, mamema wakwaba emfa wombra GCN page so meeting ede adwoa search. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya be on so. Ube a notification and some ekoso wo me be abenye biatie anase ubenye bia share e wo GCN page ha. Ora Chief Biney a oye former deputy national organizer de ma NDC amayoku no e na okase na ne se ma okay na ne se massa. Sisi obi ayo pani wo Ghana ho. Obi ade ne ho obi ate na se. Enti no nye kwaye se party eyeku a ewo ho a wodo ho akwakobo mu se ono mo ye adwuma. Enti no apart from party no untu me run private life make kan wadwen fenche ne de ope bia eba ne sa de ya de betwa yie because obi aka se o so ya bekeka ensem a emboa eya de NDC party ne begu. Enti no your penny na so NDC party ni mo a Chawo kasa yie. Ayesa obe kasa na ebitia no de oba be ka bia kire wo. Papa because obi an abofra wo kromi ha. Na de nse owura Chief Biney ya kasa ina ye Anita Disoso. Mama de na no ye de papa. And her oba radios no fire this phone na. On the chese wo nya this ni na wan be cancer money and fan this ho. On the bia wo ye this ni say wo cancer papa defend this ho. Wan cancer papa and fan this ho de be ye no. Wan kasa wo mpe Anita Disoso. Eko asempa FM eko kan say 2020 about to Chief Biney one year campaign nejire no hu do didi ni trim nti wan boa party no kranti na NDC party no mo we ne no e na owura Chief Biney eche say hey mama yesterday na you careful papa na your party nti na do be di betwitwe hu aka cho say my campaign many o man penin that his excellency John Dramani Mahama ye nam campaign ase na ye kwa ha aha nti ma wari nti kama me ye campaign ada opem ya na ora Chief Biney no bi sa Anita Disoso sa ada opem na also opem dia yedin na ombo ne bra na party nko e na ware nko untumi betena na nije so untumi nka ne ense se oye untumi mesharu because onya abofra enti na afidi na ni abre pa wo abeka na wanka ne ye no the party se beto ncha atena ni ho akeke bia chiro pa ne enti ensem a ora Chief Biney e de etudwa
Managasa or yen campaign no tell for hindrance. Maybe although you miss now this also campaign or yen or a picture another yen will post. Why the man no share is Excellency John Dramani Mahama Horba. Why the man no share National Chairman Horba. Why the man no share General Secretary Horba. Now Pempendra we do no soon when you don't cast them. Because teams na yedi ejuma na kasa ye kofom ye ejuma. And one social media for na media for one dollar. Well, when the cameras is in put our ejuma.
Yes.
And he said, ejuma na wa ye no bande cha na se e de ejuma atuba. Onu say they say when you pano wa boman and now why video nye. I mean, if they don't have anything to say, they should shut up. Baby, a party ne drew. O here they be critical analysis, serious reasoning. I analyzing them how come. Oh, there are money in any part of the him be able to be able to do on him. A badin of bank in a yin to me and conquer in him. A badin, yeah, that ye, a madama, them a coward today, I will bow the party, yeba, ye to me, yet and power now, yet was some Ghana man or man wire. These are the things we should be thinking about. And if it should come from anybody, like when you be an arm constituency away Kufia, on for party in Kodusu or Casa, Mr. Betcher. But somebody I to my for party I call vice chairperson. If I some no aba, and I shall be if I na abantina I warranty 1 year Juma, but I hold the party. Why am I still in the party? She should give us a break. If she wants to contest elections, she should wait. Time so I walk. Because this time around, the Obian and Obian can say who be no fan in the name of party. And Kasa now. And far was a man to you. Yababa Casa me who ne service party yen or ye Sabia, a Jumaria, or the do Utimisuko, me who miss my Bacasa, and my mouth was waiting.
I referred her to pictures of a health walk na day in second D, Takradena, Ekobi. And that's where she made the point, say, and your picture, Semna, yeah. But
even if you talk about health work now, do partner as much as all you Juma, Ponami put him who know Juma. Or be a movie, I Juma, you use Yadin, you use Yen, yen bold decisions, yes, exercise the discretion. Our madam discretions why fruitful. Now, one of these days, we go pay studio. The men say ni na no, me the botu gwa. E man one na we say ni na no we say. Na onam there internet on the akorinti. E kosu na keji da ma be for free nature. Ejuma bi also do bi ayen. Party ejuma na or kada wo yen. Ye wo kwampia wo fada wo die. That would be if we all want to talk like the way she's talking now. Chapati no bobo fom. Because obi enyi wo ejuma only challenges. People have challenges, genuine challenges. If they want to talk about it, I'm fine go see baby papa. And with the experience in Nasebi, bringing baby my winning, we go dren. I expect her there. Ninja maybe or Namun to be ano. In as much as we feed or boa party or Boshana Wajin we now Wakasama Saman Unka fan to Tona Basabasa on Fambosan a party near no freedom of association will be a more fun. You lose election as here, Baba. This is not the approach. At least with the experience or one, I don't expect it. I respect her power. Now for her to come and sit down and talk about my private life, is she the one to show me who to marry? And I'm comparing more and Nana. I don't know who you are, Ninjimo. What is the meaning of all this?
But Enuntino, she has called for early Congress, so say Munkotua Bantemina executives and more Mohamedano Muni Munsi baby in Fafo.
Oh no, she has reason to offend them. A vice chairperson. Early Congress, people can call. That is okay. The purpose of calling for early Congress, only the fact that you party, political party, Obi, what are we there for? Apart from seeking political power to govern this country. That is all. We are not sebi offending NGO be a and it's all call for early Congress. More do we need a Congress no call and yakoni kayin penifua and penifuna okwa ejuman or yin pan okwa ejuma. And it's all big pon every the why BB and Adamadina why and one more. If you're kwana eba fado eba can over classroom, it will be on your in party na and akono. How do say party funkutin will win election and Kaminyoka say you Flagstaff House. This is about time all day. Yenyinara ye dwene hwekan na ye yenzama ye measured na ye di ofenejiji ye di she party say be ni mpanyinfo a we yi hom na ye wasem bi a ye pede ye kana odin sisaba ye hwekon ye botum ya kado madam asem na odin sisaba onye macho sem. That's not the way we run a party, especially we be our rise our vice chairperson of the party. Why? She can go to the party headquarters and address any pedo address. And if he wants to do critical analysis of elections now, she's allowed to do so. And if she wants to call for certain legitimate in them, maybe leadership should let them know. She's allowed to do so. But for you to come and say they'll be in the way, but does she know the structure in which you have to call election in? Does he know the issues on people's mind that they will also want to talk about, but because of party, they can't continue. They are not talking about. Is she aware? Has she asked? Has he asked there, Abaron, what the man on ye, and to my ye, ne bofum, no ye, we be sa. Baby, mammy, many shade them me, you mamma, boa party. Manka, some brim with ye, man. Will be their results. And I am proud of myself. It is not about, no better now, me, BBJ, please. No. But one kasa within yourself, and say, Juma, the Amo party, na party, and Kunyimu or Kwanbida. You yourself, you pride yourself because you made you my. And Anita, this is only the non copper so below no. Because in 1 hour for money and you want you man, they know the work we have done.
Asampa FM 94.